Here are 5 animals with hearing superpowers you've never heard of. Bats hear up to 120,000 hertz. This is 5 times higher than humans. They use echolocation to hunt in complete darkness. Elephants can hear with their feet. They detect ground vibrations from miles away. Owls can hear a mouse under snow. Their uneven ears help them pinpoint sounds in 3D. Dolphins hear with their jaws. Sound travels through jaw fat to their inner ear, like sonar. The greater wax moth hears up to 300,000 hertz. That's the highest of any animal. Want to know how pitch, volume, and hearing really work? Watch the full Key Stage 2 sound playlist, videos, and free worksheets included. Perfect for classrooms, homeschoolers, and curious minds.